Hey, friends and adventurers. It is spooky season, isn't it, Todd?
Sure is.
And that can only mean one thing, that we are going to Dollywood.
Well, it could be many things.
Well, it means one thing to us today.
Today, yes.
Today it means that we are headed over the mountain to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, to check out the Dollywood Luminaries. What's it called, Todd?
Pumpkin Luminaries, I believe.
Pumpkin Luminaries. I am very excited because I love pumpkins and I love luminaries and I love all things fall and coziness, and I'm going to hopefully get some kind of a warm beverage when I'm there. So we will check in with you guys when we arrive.
Wow.
We are not the only ones that had this idea.
I don't remember it being this full this summer. Hello, how are you today?
Hi, how are you? All right.
Doyle, was it the same up there?
All right, so I've just been looking at the show guide and the map for the Great Pumpkin Luminights. They're gonna have merchandise, special merchandise.
What?
Yeah.
Can I buy merchandise?
You can buy merchandise,
Thank
and we
you.
get a discount as a gold pass holder. There's gonna be character interactions.
What kind of characters? Pumpkins?
Pumpkin Polly, Pumpkin Master, and
Ooh.
Pumpkin Penny. Okay, and they're gonna be in the Wilderness Pass from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay,
There's gonna be featured eats and treats.
I'm down.
Maple pecan bacon funnel cake.
Okay.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And there's going to be iconic pumpkin scenes, great pumpkin Luminights featuring artistic sculptures, etc., etc. So there's a lot to see and do here tonight at Dollywood, and I cannot wait to get started. Let's go.
How do you even pick that up without it breaking?
No, I would think some kind of a what is the thing that has the bucket?
Oh, a bucket lifter?
Bucket lifter,
Yeah.
yeah. So it looks like these are all gigantic pumpkins grown by people around the country. The New York,
Indiana?
Ohio,
West Virginia.
Those are some big pumpkins. So, looks like we found some of the seasonal food, some sweet potato poutine, sweet corn hush puppies. That sounds pretty good. And pumpkin pie punch. There's some on the other side too. I love these little pumpkin figures all over the place. They're everywhere.
So within a day or two, maybe the boat there is all over the week. Now you ready? 1, 2, 3, hey!
Yeah, so we're on the hunt for seasonal food for the Luminights festival. I don't know where exactly. I don't know if they have a list. So we're just gonna kind of poke around and see if there's something we can find. Because I'm hungry. Right in front of Blazing Fury, Todd's favorite ride.
We gonna do it?
One cool thing they're doing is glow in the dark face paint so that when it gets dark and the pumpkins are lighting up, your face paint will light up. Such a cool idea. So I think this stuff is all gonna look really cool tonight when the yeah, so we're kind of getting to see the daytime version, and then we'll walk through again after the sun goes down, and we'll see them all glowing. Look at these little baby spider pumpkins. That is a big old pumpkin tree. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, Todd, we are trying I swear I'm not alone. Todd's right here. We are trying the
Maple Bacon Fun.
Maple Bacon Fun cake. Maple Bacon Pecan funnel cake. All right.
Take a picture of it?
No. Here we go. Oh yeah. You guys probably want to see that, huh? So there it is in all its glory.
Why get a regular funnel cake with just powdered sugar for $1 more? You get the Maple Bacon Fun.
Yeah. So this is part of the Luminary seasonal thing. Here you go. I'm gonna try it.
How is it?
It's okay. I'm not sure the bacon. I mean, how could bacon not go with funnel cake? But it's not quite there. The bacon is like really bacony. I think ultimately it has a good balance of everything. I do like the pecans.
Yeah.
I could almost do without the bacon. I don't know the bacon really adds anything.
Wow.
Sweet.
Oh, whoa.
Good. All right. Todd, now that the sun is starting to go down, it's getting a little spooky out here.
Is. Look at,
uh-oh. Some really spooky bat pumpkins, which fit in perfectly with the Mystery Mine. Let's check it out. Mystery Mine. Do you think any of these pumpkins are gonna come alive after dark?
What's that?
Do you think any of these pumpkins are gonna come alive after dark? Little ducklings! Look at that, how cute that is. Let me zoom in. Froggy pumpkins. They're everywhere. That is actually a little creepy. All right, the savory food is here. We have a sweet potato poutine. It's got cheesy sauce, it's got bacon, it's got onion straws and green onions. We also have a bratwurst smoked. Looks like it's got some cabbage, potatoes, and we've got a apple punch or pumpkin punch. It's got cream soda, pumpkin puree, apple juice.
What? Well, I bet it's gonna be good.
I bet it's gonna be real
What's on
good.
top of it? Like a little pumpkin
It
spice?
looks like, yeah, cinnamon or something like that.
Cinnamon? Okay.
Yeah. What do you think?
Looks really good.
All right, let's
The poutine looks awesome.
Just to Let you know they've got biodegradable straws now at Dollywood, which is awesome. I'm gonna try this punch. This is really, really good. This tastes like autumn in a cup. It's fizzy. It's got that nice pumpkin spice. Vanilla. Oh, everything. It's great. All right, Todd is gonna try the punch.
I don't know, you get a lot more apple.
Right, yeah.
And a little spice at the end.
Yeah. Did you get notes of vanilla at all from the cream soda?
I did not get any vanilla.
Really? Okay, we'll take another sip. Try again.
Still no vanilla.
Oh, okay. Well, your palate isn't quite as refined as mine. That's okay. We'll forgive you. All right, I'm gonna try this brat. It's got a spicy brown mustard on it. Comes with potatoes. This is really good. That mustard is amazing. Perfect accompaniment. Potatoes are good. Roasted potatoes. Ooh, the cabbage is really, really tasty. All these elements go great together. Todd, what do you think of the poutine?
It's really good. It's got all the elements. The cheese is awesome. With the gravy.
Sorry about the back light. You know, you can't really choose where you're going to eat at Dollywood. But so what did you like best about the poutine?
It's a nice balance. It's not too overly gravy-fied. And the sweet potatoes are really nice, and the bacon is really nice. All the foods work really well together.
Okay, I'm going to take a bite. It's really good. It's very hearty, very comforting, nice and hot, cheesy. Sweet potatoes, I love the sweetness. Yeah, all around great. I love both of these dishes are amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think about the brat?
It's really good brat.
Yeah. All right.
The potatoes and the little bit of acid from the cabbage really
Very
adds
good.
to the fun.
Yeah.
Cabbage fun.
All right.
Now look at that. That looks like somebody that does something important right there.
Yes, it is.
You know it. You know it. So that was the Pumpkin Master?
I'm calling him the pumpkin. I'm going with it. I don't know.
We don't know that much about pumpkin royalty.
No.
Wow, that's really beautiful. It's even cooler at night. See the notes lighting up. How cool is that? Woo! Check this out. Love the fog machines. Makes it so spooky. I love this music. It's like definitely very Halloween-y, but not too scary. So we're back where we started earlier today with the pumpkin spider. And now I am really excited to see all the stuff lit up. There's the big giant web. And here is the mammoth pumpkin spider. So cool. Wow, and here's the little babies.
Oh, how
All
cute.
lit up. Ooh, and then check these out. And they've got all the... So we do not recommend this area for those with arachnophobia, but look, it's all different kinds of spiders. There's a tarantula. There's that kind of spider and that kind of
Black
spider.
Widow, maybe?
Maybe a black widow.
Maybe
yeah.
jumping spider?
Hopefully a jumping spider.
I'm sure it's jumping spiders represented somewhere.
I'm sure. Looks like the light bulb went out on these guys. Ooh, look at Fire Chaser Express. Has super cool spooky lighting. Check this guy out. He's just relaxing. He's just chilling. With his big giant pumpkin face. And here's all his little friends. Oh, look, that one's kind of scared right there. Oh, the rest of them are just being kind of silly. Spooky Mystery Mine is awesome.
Yeah.
The lighting.
Menacing pumpkins.
Yeah, and the lighting. It's just extra spooky. There's an almost full moon in the sky. It's a recipe for creepiness. Oh, here's that jack-o'-lantern face.
Scarier at night.
The ducks are so much scarier at night. A little bit.
Ducks are still cute at night.
They're still cute at night. Are you guys still cute? Yeah, you're still cute. They're pretty adorable. Todd, I'm scared.
Should be.
This is like the last, this is the part with the disco dancing pumpkins in the cemetery. I don't know if I can handle it.
Depends what song's playing.
That is true. Oh, I can hear the beat from here. Oh, I didn't even notice before there's a disco ball. Woo woo! Here you go, pumpkins! Ooch, ooch, ooch. Oh, look at those beautiful eyes. This is so cool! Party in the cemetery! Again, copyrighted music, so insert non-copyrighted music here. that time?
I did. That was a great time.
Yeah.
But we did it.
I would recommend going through a couple times. I mean, you know, it was nice at golden hour, and we could see a little, you know, some of the things that weren't lit up, like the flowers and whatnot. And then obviously, you come.
Once night fell.
You can start either to the left of the park or to the right. We went right, and then we go down the big giant hill. That's a big hill. We avoid going up it if
And
we
guess
can.
what? On the other side, when you go up, it's a big hill going up too.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's a hill no matter what you do. But I feel like that's a little steeper. But anywho, we had a great time, saw a lot of things, ate some really good food, and I'm loving this music. Well guys, thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoy this content that we're creating, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, do all the things.
Make comments.
Yeah, and comment. Have you
Comment,
guys
yeah.
ever been to this event at Dollywood, and what do you think about it?
Or any other events.
And what was your favorite pumpkin or part of the Luminights? Todd, what do you have to say?
I like the disco.
The disco part was really cool. I think that was my favorite part too. All right, guys. Well, stay adventurous. Till next time. Bye.